Welcome back to the print house, guys. I'm in the shop tonight doing a video, catching a break for a minute, but I've got both printers running. I got my laser cutting some clear plastic, some 1/8 inch. Here, I'll go over there. Doing my thing tonight, guys. It's been a while. Cutting some plastic, printing, building RC cars. See, I got a new display of some of my cars here. Some of you guys appreciate it. Go to my other channel. I'll put the link in my description. But you know, we do a lot of RC racing and stuff like that. As you can see, I'm still here doing it. Got a little rearranging going on because I made some arrangements in the basement. So, but yeah, no, I just wanted to hop on and do a quick video, let you guys know I'm still here printing and stuff, and just answer a couple questions recently. I've got people that comment on the BN20 mostly, but the HP 115 still gets tons of questions. And the first question I always get, or the most popular, is if I started over, would I start over with the 115 again? And I'm always going to say the same answer, guys. Yes, because the budget is there. I was able to get into it, going on 3.5 years now, and it was at the right time. If I had a little bit more money to spare, because I leased my printer at first, I didn't pay for it out cash. I'm not rich, but the printer's paid for itself, guys. This thing's paid for. It's been paid for a while now, so I don't have to make any payments on this thing. BN20 I got used, so I paid cash for that. But no, if I did it again, absolutely. If I was in the same situation I was in, I would totally do it again. No lie, guys. This machine has been a workhorse. The only problem I've ever had is that magenta print head going out, and it was warranted, and they sent me a new one. I got it in 2 days. You guys saw the video on that. So yeah, I would totally do it again. If I had the business built up as I do now, I probably would step up to a 315 only for a couple things. But other than that, you can't go wrong with this machine, man. It's been a workhorse. I've gone through several sets of ink in the 3.5 years, but only one print head. Only one. I know keeping it in a climate controlled area helps. You know, it really does. So, you know, that's part of it. Recently I had a water leak in my bathroom. We built this house 5 years ago, and some of the plumbing wasn't done right in the bathroom, and I had a leak. It was dripping down on my laser. On the table here, I had a couple laptops over here. I got them over here now, but it was dripping down. So I've been a little busy, but yeah, I did a little bit of rearranging. Took a desk over here, out of here, trying to redo this area. Of course, my regular desk is here. So I got a lot of, you know, rearranging. So, but I know I haven't done a lot of video, guys. Upon winter ending, I'll probably start doing more. I just, you know, I'm busy with work, as you know, and when I do get jobs, like tonight, I got to make like 6 banners and some stickers and some laser cut parts. So that's what I'm doing tonight. So, but anyways, I just wanted to hop on, do a quick video, talk about that. The other questions I get about the BN20, printing and cutting, you know, follow the couple videos that I put up there. It's the best I can do. The machine's great. It's slower. You know, the newer one's a little bit faster. Obviously, the brand new ones, which I would love to have, guys, are even better. I mean, the front loading of the whole machine just seems better. Haven't had my hands on it, but watched videos on it. I would love to have it, but I think the next step of anything that I do is going to be a DTF printer. I mean, it has to be. I really believe that that's my next step for printing shirts and stuff like that. You know, printing directly on the HTV for the printers is pretty cool, but they don't last as long. You know, they do last. If you wear shirts like I do, you know, you're going to get 15-20 washes, and that's about it. They start to fade, they start to tear, and that's a lot of washes. I like to wear my favorite shirts. So, but anyways, the print house is still here, guys. Keep asking your questions. I don't have the questions written down. I'm going to do that on the next video. But like I said, I get a lot of the same repetitive questions about, you know, my thing down here. And, you know, like I've said before in many videos, I have no desire to move out of here and open up a shop. I just can't. It's just, you know, we built this house. We're not going anywhere. It's free overhead. Why would I want to move? I've got a huge basement, plenty of room for all the equipment. I've just been doing a lot of rearranging. This shelf wasn't here before either, guys. All this stuff is moved and changed. So it's just going to get more efficient is what it's going to be. So, but yeah, like I said, I just want to hop on, guys. So also I want to thank everybody. I hit over 4,000 subscribers. You know, 3.5 years ago, I never thought I would, you know, hit that many. I mean, heck, it was a milestone hitting 500 and then 1,000 and then keep going. I mean, it was amazing. And it still is amazing that the views are still there. Obviously, I still get more views on the non-subscribe, but hey, what are you going to do? You know, the channel makes a little bit of money a month. Now, it's a joke when you think how much people are making. They're not making that much, guys. You're not paying your mortgage on it unless, you know, you're a huge channel. I mean, you're not going to make a living off of YouTube unless you are some of the bigger people. Because I've talked to some people that are 100K. You'd be surprised how much money they don't make on YouTube. So don't even be money driven with YouTube. Just enjoy doing the videos. You know, shed some experience out there. You know, people could benefit from you, and it just feels good to help people and do videos. So, but anyways, like I said, I just wanted to hop on again. I keep saying that, so I digress. And we'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Like, subscribe, hit that notification, and welcome back to the Print House.